Watch out. Right, out and about this morning. After last night's antics, I was a little bit, not fragile, but you know, a little bit slower to get out and about this morning. One reason is I opened the curtains earlier and raining.
Oh no!
Yeah, let's put a bit of a downer on the plans for today. Cool. Yeah, in the end with Jonny and Besty there. Well, I got in at 4 o'clock. Besty had to bail out earlier than that, and he was a bit worse for wear, the boy, because he wanted to get back because he's taking the ferry over to Pattaya today, so he was a bit cautious about missing that. But he bailed out earlier, so me and Jonny ended up where he knows where to go. After the bar we were in, we was in a couple of other bars, and he went, oh no, and then we moved on to like a little nightclub which is open later because he knows around this area, so he knew where to go. So we hit this little club for a while, and that's where Besty bailed out. But yeah, we stayed in there for another drink or two, and then ended up coming out of there when that shut into another little bar and had another drink there. So yeah, it was gone 4 o'clock by the time I got back to my hotel room. And then Jonny, I left him in a cab with his McDonald's, and off he went. So yeah, quite a good laugh in the end. That was quite an enjoyable evening. Yeah, enjoyed that. That was good. So not totally hungover, but I was a little fragile. But then I thought, well, there's no rush this morning because it's starting to very fine rain at the moment. The camera might pick it up, but yeah, I don't know what else. Well, a couple of places I was going to go today, I might delay them until tomorrow. I'll see how it goes. What I might do is see how this weather goes. If it is still damp and overcast, I might just do a couple of things around town. Might try and find another little mini tripod, perhaps, them sort of things, and maybe I'll check out a gym, maybe get another workout in today. So it won't be a total loss, but from the vlogging point of view, yeah, have to rethink a couple of things. But what I thought I'd do while I'm riding around is hop in here, because who don't like chocolate? Oh. Yeah, who don't like chocolate? So I just thought I'd come in here and see what they got, and maybe grab a coffee, because I think they've got a little restaurant there. Look, shop and restaurant. So yes, that's the rough idea at the moment. So I'm going to go in here and see what this is all about now. So let's see if we can't hop in here. Oh. Yeah, and grab myself a coffee even. Blimey. Too many spirits last night, or this morning rather, but oh well. It was all good fun. All good fun. Sometimes you just got to roll with it. It's like, yeah, you know, yeah, we'll have another one. Yeah, fine. So let's go in here, shall we? Oh, look at this. I'll tell you what, it smells nice. Oh, look, gift shop. Right. Let's have a look around here. Oh, now. Looks very good. Oh, a bit of a history of chocolate here or something. What's this about? Oh, probably the process of how you make it. Quick facts about chocolate. Here we go. So if you've got a sweet tooth, come here. Oh look, Cinderella shoes. Look at that. Some of these I'm getting tempted with. Maybe I'll buy a couple for gifts for people at home. Little treats. Yeah, we've got quite a selection here. Quite a selection. A bit of honey as well. Right. I might grab something. I think I might check out the restaurant first. Grab myself a coffee. I don't know if I'll have a cake. It's a bit early for cake, isn't it? But they might have a bit of a menu. So let's walk through here and grab ourselves a table, shall we? Oh yeah, that's all very nice, isn't it? It's all very nice. Where should we go? Where should we go? Really rather quite pleasant in here. Nice. I think I'll grab one of these and sit here. Right, let me just get set up then. Right, so I just ordered myself just a simple Americano for now. I have actually got quite an extensive menu in here. It's slightly on, if you like, the posher or a la carte side, and a little bit more pricey than some of the other restaurants, you know, for your Western food and things like that they've got in here as well. But you know, if that's your thing, come in and have something, have a few treats. But I'm just going to go for Americano at the minute, just sit here and then plan my next moves really and see what this weather's doing. Meant to clear up after 4 o'clock, but by which time it's like from a going out and seeing something point of view. So I think it might be a case of just bum around town today and just do them type of things, see what's about, you know, just have a nose around. So I think I might do that actually, but I'll wait for my Americano to arrive anyway, and then have that, and then have a think. Alright, Roger, back again. About 10 minutes, quarter of an hour up the road, noisy roadside as you can make out. Thought I'd pop up to here, which is called Plearnwan, I believe, which is like an artist's village, like a bit quirky and all that sort of thing. Once again, saw it on the internet, so as it's still a bit of a damp and dreary day, I thought I'd just pop along here for a couple of hours or so, see what it's all about, check it out. So not to waste the day, so to speak. So yeah, I'm just going to pop in now, just get through past security here, see what's going on first, and then I'll come back to you. Right, so we're through the checkpoint. It's a bit noisy, but see what this is about. It's semi-covered, so that's why I thought I'd come along. Oh, you can have some light bites to eat and whatever while you're here, which I might do. Not really eating much yet. Oh, right, okay. different. A few different looking gifts there as well, things you can buy. Not too bad so far, but I'll have a go down this side now, down these steps I think. Very quiet at the moment, and mind you, it's midweek and the weather's not very good. Maybe it picks up later. Right, so that gives you a little idea of what to find here, a little overview. Hopefully you'll come along when it's better weather, or it's busier than today. I don't know, hang on a minute, it's stopped raining. So I might jump on the scoot and pop off somewhere else now. But not a bad little place, different. Free to get in and just wander around, and if you find something and you can buy something and then sit down and have something to eat. So not a bad little place to relax for a while, somewhere different. So yeah, pop along and have a look for yourselves. So I think now, like I say, I'll dive back on the scooter. I want to check out a couple of gyms just to see how good they are, and then I might have something to eat. I've not really eaten today, and then go and have a workout. So that's my plan. We'll see how that pans out. So I'll catch you soon. Right, watch again. Just had a ride around on the scooter with no real sense of direction. Just popped into a gym just to see what it was all about, and yeah, you can have a day rate, just go in and train, just pay and just do one training session. So think I'll do that later. And I've stopped off somewhere I've passed before actually, which is called, let me move this round, Koti Restaurant. I've passed it a few times now, so I thought I'd just pop in. Obviously this is the scene behind me, as you can see. And it's just on the corner here. There's the main road there. The night market is that way. So that's where it is. So yeah, just going to stop here for a while. I'll have a couple of quick little dishes, just some beef, fried beef with some chilies, that sort of thing, a bit of rice, and some milk tea. Gum gub, which has just arrived now. Got me iced milk tea, and just going to sit here and have them. Yeah, just do that for a while. Sit back, relax for a bit, and then I'll head back to the hotel room and then get changed and then head over to the gym. So that's what's going to happen. So when my food arrives, I'll update you. Right, so it's all happening here. My items have arrived. So let me flip it around. So I've got me rice there with egg, got me fish cakes, got my little side there, and I've got my beef. So nice and simple. So let's start on these and come back soon with a verdict. Right, so there we go. We're finished. That'll do me for now, I think. So just a quick stop off here. I think what I want to do now is just down and have a quick coffee up the road there. And head back to the room and think about, at that point, going for a workout. So yeah, still on and off rain today. Looking at the weather forecast, it's meant to dry up later, so we'll see. Not sure what I'm going to do tonight yet. We shall see, but yeah, that's the plan for now. So not much of a day really, but it's been out a little bit. Hopefully, looking at the weather report as well, it's meant to be back on track with warm, sunny temperatures and sun and everything else tomorrow. So I want to be out on a scooter because I want to be, well, I've got a scooter, so I want to use it, and I'll put fuel in it. So I want to be out and about, zipping around tomorrow. So hopefully more going on then. But yes, that's what's going to go on for now. So I'll come back soon with some updates.